Hey everyone, welcome back to the Attic Room YouTube channel. This is part 2 of my opening the mail video. It's the 2nd of January. This is an order from Loot Crate. It's actually Loot Vault items. Before I start unpacking this, I'm going to tell you I'm really pissed at these people. I placed an order on December 6th. Today, like I said, is the 2nd of January. They haven't shipped it. This one I ordered on the 14th, and of course I got it today. Every time I've contacted them about my first order, and it was a relatively expensive order for me, all I get is basically a canned auto response from them. I'm going to try to contact them again today, and if I don't have my order, or they haven't even shipped it by the 6th of this month, by the end of this week, I'm going to see if I can do something about getting my money back. There's absolutely no excuse for them to sit on an order for a month and not even attempt to fill it when they filled other orders that came in much later. I ordered this 8 days after the first one, got it first. As of this morning, they haven't filled my other order. Like I said, they've given me these bogus canned responses. So now I'm done bitching about it. Let's see what I got from them. By the way, when I do get my money, or get my items or my money back, it will be the last time, unless they've taken good care of me, it will be the last time I order anything from Loot Vault. And just personally, I wouldn't recommend ordering anything from them if they're going to give that bad a service. So, like I said, these are individual items I ordered from their Loot Vault. Let's get her opened up here. First of all, I've got the 30th anniversary Aliens hardcover, and I didn't think I'd open this up when I got it, but you know what? Books are meant to be read. I'm going to open this sucker up. This is the 30th anniversary from the Aliens comic book series. Its authors are Mark Verheiden and Mark Nelson. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Verheiden, whichever it is. Nicely bound, hardbound, and yeah, it is the full comic series. It appears to be in its original black and white format. Yeah, I'll enjoy reading this. But there we have the Aliens original comic series 30th anniversary book. Next, I have another Loot Crate exclusive. These are shot glasses. Those of you that are old enough to remember, you'll understand, but these are Battlezone shot glasses. Yeah, I'm quite happy with these. Hope that focused. I can't tell. I don't have a large enough visible screen to check my video as I go, but yeah. Loot Crate exclusive Battlezone shot glasses. And the last thing is, as is usual with Loot Crate, an exclusive. This is, oh damn, not happy with that, because the tissue stuck to the screen printing. Damn it. Look at that crap. This is one of the things I was actually really looking forward to getting. This is a Los Pollos Hermanos apron. So, there we go. Again, just 3 simple items from Loot Crate. Again, I'm not at all happy with how they handle their orders. I'm going to try and contact them again, but here's what we have. I am happy with what I got for the money I spent. That's it. Hey, for those of you that haven't bought anything from Loot Crate, all the boxes are basically recyclable. They're printed on both sides. The outside is just a simple shipping box. Inside, it turns into something else. So, basically what you do is you open the flaps up, lay her out flat, and reverse everything, and you've got some sort of interesting or decorative, useful, whatever box. So let's see what we've got here. I don't think this one is as cool as the last one I got. The last one I got was a CSI Crime Scene Kit box. Yeah, all this is just not half as cool, but Loot Anime building box, basically. So, there we have it. That's the Loot Anime box. So, hey, thanks for watching. Please, if you enjoy my videos, click like. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. Share it with your friends. If you have any suggestions on new videos I can do, put it down in the comments. I will read them, respond to them as much as I can. I enjoy doing these videos, and I do them as much for my viewers as anything. So if you think of something that you would like to see that's within my budget, let me know and I'll see if I can get her done. So thank you very much for watching. You all have a great day.